Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first action. Make sure your Teams app is updated and your camera is operational. You don't need to tinker with settings yet. Once ready, open or join the meeting and focus on the camera preview. If you're on the pre-join screen, click Background Filters or Background Settings. If inside the meeting, open the three-dot More Actions menu and choose Apply Background Effects. This step gets you into the background controls quickly, so you can pick or add an image. Now you'll handle the middle steps where choices matter. In Background Settings, scroll through built-in options and click one to preview. You'll see how it frames your head and shoulders. To use a custom image, click Add New, select your file, and wait for Teams to upload. It supports JPG, PNG, MP4. Once uploaded, press Preview to check alignment and lighting. Make sure the image is subtle and high contrast so Teams' foreground separation works cleanly. Then click Apply to set it live in the meeting. Finish by applying and verifying the change so your background stays put. Click Apply to set it for the current meeting and confirm by checking your video tile. If you want this as a default, go to Settings, Devices or Calls and save the preference. If the background looks glitchy, try one key troubleshooting tip. Update your graphics drivers and Teams app, enable GPU hardware acceleration in settings, then restart the app. If issues persist, switch to a simpler image or toggle background off and back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.